We're holding in Tractate Nedarim, in Yaakov, Tractate Nedarim, and the title today is The Healing Sun Rays. Rabbi Hanina said in the name of Rabbi Menashe, who had it from Rabbi Yehuda ben Eloi, what is the meaning of the pasuk, but a sun of righteousness will shine for you who fear my name, with healing in its rays. And this is a pasuk from Malachi 3:20, the prophet Malachi 3:20. This refers to people who fear to utter God's name in vain. A sun of righteousness with healing in its rays. So the sun will be healing for them. Rabbi said, we can infer from this that the sun rays have healing power. He differs on that point with Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish, who said, there is no Gehenna in the world to come, but the Holy One, blessed be He, will take out the sun from its sheath. The righteous will be healed, and the wicked will be judged and punished by it. While Rabbi applies the pasuk to this world, Rabbi Shimon ben Lakish applies it to the world to come. The righteous will be healed by it, for it says, but a sun of righteousness will shine for you who fear my name, with healing in its rays. And that is not at all, and that is not all, but they will be rejuvenated by it, because the pasuk continues, and you will go out and flourish like the calves of the stall. Also Malachi 3:20. The wicked will be judged by it, for it says, for behold, that day the sun is at hand, burning like an oven, when all the wicked people and all the evildoers will be like straw. And that coming day, the sun will burn them to ashes. Says God, Master of Legions, so that it will not leave them a root or branch. That's in Yaakov for today.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.